forget to click the bell and subscribe.
Hey guys, we've done a ceramic coating on the 911 2 weeks ago, and leaving the hood open and doors killed the battery. We were able to revive it, charging it, and it worked for about 2 weeks. Now it's dead. So we're gonna replace the battery on the 911, and here's the battery that we have. A nice AC Delco. 42-month warranty on it. Probably one of the best batteries out there. Can you open the trunk?
Yeah.
Well, the trunk, the hood, the bonnet, I don't know.
It's not working.
It's not working. So if it's not working, we'll have to use the little pin. There's a little pin under the dash. There's a door right there, yeah. Open that door.
Okay.
Okay. There's a little pin that we need to pull out.
This?
No, well, that's for the fuse.
Oh.
But close to this, let me see.
Is it orange? Because there's a car on it.
It's that thing red on top right.
Okay, so
So you need to pull on it.
I take this.
Maybe it's gonna work. Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay.
So we'll need to put a little battery booster cables on this.
And this.
And also on some ground under the dash.
Okay.
By doing this, we'll be able to open the hood. Here we go. We're gonna turn this thing on. Okay.
Can you grab this, please?
Put the red terminal on it.
Okay. Go down there.
Yeah, that's right. Okay.
I think I hear it open.
No, you need to press on it. Press on it right here. You got it.
Okay.
So now disconnect everything. Perfect. We'll just leave it there and we'll pop the hood.
Construction stuff.
Yeah, we'll take all my construction boots and everything out of the car. Oh, nice legendary. Yeah, I'll have to call my buddy Alex to drink that. Okay, get in the car, get in the trunk. So, remove this one.
Like this?
Yeah, just turn it and pull up. Yeah, that's right. Perfect. So now,
I guess this is 10 millimeter.
yes, it's 10 millimeter. We grab a wrench. So which one do we remove first?
This one. Negative.
Negative first? Okay, that's good. No, the other way. You need to pull on it, counterclockwise. So, you're gonna put it back?
Yeah, I'll put it back.
Which one's gonna do it?
Me.
Both of you?
Yeah, I can do it.
Oh, that's the battery in the car. It's disconnected. Yeah, that's the vent. Yeah, that's exactly right. Pretty good. That's good. Keep the ratchet too well. Okay, now which one do you need to put first?
This one.
The positive, yes. Then you install the battery, the positive. Okay, now you're going to loosen that a little bit more. No, you can't. That's gonna be good. Now let's do the negative one. Oh! We have light! Sparks! It's because we have power. Okay, now we're gonna loosen this here. Scrub this well.
Just doing this time.
And
Music.
what the heck is this?
Oh, there's no music.
Okay. That was good. Wait.
So,
Okay, now you can tighten this one.
this one. Ouch. No, this way. It scared me.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll make sure. It's okay. This is good. This is good. Our two protector on each side are there. The battery is solid, is in place. Okay, let's install the cover now. Grab the cover there on the floor. Okay, you see, there's two knobs on each side.
Oh, so,
You need to go in there.
okay.
12 knobs or slot.
Like this thing.
Yeah, that's perfect. Wow. Could be a Porsche mechanic. It looks like we've changed the battery on the 911. Yeah, so we're done.
Ah!
No. All right, out of there. Okay, that should start no problem. Let's put the construction stuff back in there. The boots.
Do I need to try to start it?
No, I'll do it.
Okay.
I'll do it. We have a go? We have a go. We have some PSM failure, brake fault. So let's see if it's gonna go away. Yeah, I need to drive with the car and it's gonna reset after. All right.
Try the camera.
Okay, let's get the roof back up.
Okay.
Thanks again for watching.
Make sure to share and like the video.
Click the bell and subscribe. We'll see you soon.